What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chill, and I'm back with another video, man. And in today's video, as you can see by the title and by the thumbnail, I'm gonna be teaching you how to lace the Knu Skool Vans just like this. As you can see, man, if you're new to my channel or you just haven't seen my second to last video I recently posted, make sure y'all go check that out. I did actually do a review slash on foot try on for these shoes, and if y'all watch that, at the end of the video I did say I will be making a video on how to lace these. Whether y'all ask me this or not, you know, I know somebody who watched that video either is planning on getting these or already has a pair and they want to know how to lace them. You know, in my opinion, when you lace them up really nice, they make them way better than what they already are. So, you know, I'm gonna help y'all with that today. So before we get into the video though, make sure to like this video up because it really helps me in the algorithm. Y'all don't know, when y'all like these videos, YouTube pushes my videos out on the For You / Explore page, and you know it helps me get popping. So make sure you like it up. Comment down below what videos you want to see. Just leave some positivity. Something, comment something. I do read my comments, so if y'all need to hit me up or whatever, or just want to talk to me, leave a comment. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell because you know we are on the road to 5K, and I do not want y'all to miss out on all the bangers that I post. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. That's in the corner, or in this corner, and in the link tree in the description. And you know, y'all don't want to miss any of my fit pics, anything I post on my story. And if you want to send me some clothes, you know, hit me in the DMs. That's how you do it. So go follow me on my social medias. But that was a long intro. Let's get into the video. All right, y'all. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to go from this to this with the Knu Skool Vans in the lacing aspect, or whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? So and before I get into the tutorial, man, please, like I said, like and subscribe, because I actually had to unlace one of these shoes all the way because I already had these shoes laced up how I liked. So yeah, and as you can see, today's going to be more of a voiceover / no face video because I don't really need to see my face. You just got to see the shoes. So yeah, so what you want to do is get your Knu Skool Vans. Once you get the Vans, they actually already come like this with the laces on the inside, and it's just in one hole, and it's perfect because that means the first step is really easy. Make sure that both laces are even, and y'all really can't see it, but if I stretch it out like this, y'all can see they are perfectly even. And then what you want to do is choose a side. It doesn't really matter which lace you choose, which side lace you choose. So yeah, I'm gonna choose the left side. This is probably, I don't know how it's gonna look to y'all, it might be backwards, but this is gonna be, I'm gonna get the left side of the lace. What you want to first do is push the tongue in, because it's a puffy tongue, it's going to be sticking out. Push that in so it's not really in the way. Get the first lace, and these are really thick / flat laces, so make sure it lays perfectly flat when you lace them. And what you want to do is put it through the first hole that is open on the other side, like this. And as you can see, boom, it's perfectly flat. You want to do the same thing for the other side, right? Boom. So this is what you got so far, right? So now this is the part where a lot of people get confused. I don't know the actual reasoning why it looks nice like this, but this is the way I do it, and it came out really good. So instead of going back over with the right side, since you started with the left side the first time, you're gonna start back with the left side this time, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna go back like this, through, make sure it's flat, and then you're gonna get the right lace and go over the top. Boom, like that. And as you can see, it's coming through. And now you want to start with the right side and go over. And basically you're going to continue to do this all the way until you get left with 2 holes on each side at the top, not filled. All right. So it's basically, like I said, you started with the left one, go over, the right goes over, start with the left one, go over, the right goes over. And now this time we're going to start with the right side and go over, and then you put the left over that. It's kind of confusing the way I'm saying it, but y'all should be watching, like I said, and you just continue to do this over and over again. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so as you can see, this is how it looks right now. And then as you can see, I left 2 holes not filled on each side. And the laces should be almost perfect. I don't know if you can really tell. The laces should be almost, I mean, it's all barely off, but almost perfect like this. And then what you want to do is you could put the shoe on your foot and then do this step, but I do it like this because I know how it's going to feel. You want to push the tongue up because the tongue is puffy. And like I said, you're going to have to probably lace, like loose lace these just a little bit, you know, once you get them on the feet. I'm going to just do it real quick because I already know I'm going to have to loose lace them just a little more, you know, just to have that cool look. And I can just slide them on my feet. So boom, that's how it's looking. And then the simplest step, you tie them together like this. You're not doing a double knot, you're just doing a single knot. Just like this. And boom, there you go. And that's how you lace them. You know, obviously the ears on the laces are a little floppy. That's because I do have to probably loose lace them a little more compared to these because I've been wearing these, as you can see. But boom, that's how you get them like this. It gives you that good look. And to me, when you lace them like this, they remind me of the, I think the designer shoes, I think they're called Lanvins. I think that's what they're called. I've never like seen them in person, but when I see people wearing them, the laces look like ribbons. That's what it reminds me of, and it gives it a really cool vibe. So yeah, that is how you lace them up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, make sure to leave a like on it. Comment some more videos you want to see, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Be on the lookout on a video on how to style these because I did throw on some fits with these recently. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. And I will catch y'all in the next video.